Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this setup looks a little different. I'm in my bedroom now. Um, where I used to film is now a playroom for our kids, so this is gonna have to do. But I think I like this area better because I'm actually filming in front of my window, so I'm getting natural light instead of just using my ring light. So I'm liking how it's working so far. So I know I haven't made a video in a while. I was just going through some stuff. I was getting my oldest ready to start school. She started kindergarten this year. And I was dealing with some health issues with myself and got it figured out, but I'm back. And today I'm going to review the Mcgrath, the Mothership V palette, the Bronze Seduction palette. And can we just take a look at this packaging? Look at this artwork. Like, it is stunning. I just love it. So it comes like this. So it's been sold out like everywhere. Sephora, on Pat McGrath's website, and you just couldn't find it anywhere. And I really wanted it, so I looked on like Poshmark. I found this lady that was selling this, and she is such a sweetheart. I will link her Poshmark. It came a couple days ago, and I haven't used it, but I've swatched a few colors, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. So when you get it, oops, it like twists around through these little holes, and then you open it up and there's the palette. And I'm keeping this cardboard because, first of all, this palette is super expensive. Oh my goodness. But I've heard nothing but great reviews on this, so I think, well, I'll tell you at the end if I think it's worth it, but I'm pretty sure it is. Since in the palette there's no shade names on it, when you open the box, the shade names are right here, so it's just like a little insert. This is what the palette looks like. Sorry. So it has this little engraving on it, and this feels heavy. I mean, not super heavy, but I mean, there's a weight to it, so it definitely feels luxurious for sure. Can we just appreciate this awesomeness right here? I am so blown away. These colors are so gorgeous. I just can't wait to put them on my eyes. So there are 3 mattes. This one, and this one. I believe this one up here is like a satin. So it's not matte, but it has like a little bit of a sheen. So it's super pretty. Same with this one. It's kind of not a foil, but it's definitely, there you go, definitely pretty. These 3 shades right here, which are, oh my goodness, I don't even know the word to describe it. They are just, beautiful. So we've got this kind of pinky one right here. And then it is very sparkly, which I'm all about because I love a sparkle. Shade right here. It's like a duochrome, I feel like. So it's got like a green shift to it. I don't even think you can see that. I am so sorry. And then you've got this, it's like a white gold sparkle. Oh, there we go. You can see it better now. So that's a pinky one. That's like the bleh. I can't talk today. This is like the duochrome with like that green shift, and then that's like a white gold sparkle. They're like not, it's like a, not a glitter like a heavy glitter. It's just like a very sparkly shadow. So I'm going to swatch all of them right now on my arm. This one is definitely more on the chunkier side. So I would probably use a glitter glue with this. Probably don't, I just feel like it would stay better with it. Any of these glittery shades, I probably would use a glitter glue. I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna do today. I'm just gonna probably kind of wing it. I'm going to use some of my Coty Airspun powder under my eyes just in case I get fallout. I can wipe it away and it's not gonna ruin the base of my makeup. I'm going to take this color again that I took on the outside of my eyes, and I think I'm going to put it all over the lid. I'm going to use my Too Faced glitter glue, and I'm going to put on my lid, and then I'll put that shade on top. And then I think in the middle of my lid, I think I'm going to take this last one, the Astral Luna Gold, and I'm going to put that right in the center. This is what it looks like when the sun hits it. So, so beautiful. Just gonna dust away the powder and any fallout. So I think I'm gonna put some liner on and mascara, lashes, and then I'll come back to do my lower lash line. Okay, I'm back and I am going to take the first shade that I took is Entrapment. Okay, I'm back, lashes are on, and I did my lower lash mascara. And so this is the completed look. I freaking love it. I think it's just the right amount of sparkle. That's blended beautifully I had no issues. I would say that this palette is worth the money. It is worth $125, but in my opinion, it's worth it. No regrets purchasing this palette. There are colors in here you could wear for every day. Definitely don't have to go as dark and smoky as I did. You definitely can do something lighter. I think it's just the perfect palette. And it's got warm tones and, cool tone purple, a pop of red, which would be beautiful all over the lid. And if you love makeup like I do, it needs to be in your collection. If you want to know the rest of the stuff on my face, I will tell you right now. I use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I'm in the shade Pearl. This is one of their new shades, I believe. And I use the ColourPop concealer in the shade Light 12. And to set my face, I just use my Coty Air Spun Powder. I got this in the mail a few days ago. Don't mind it, it's dirty, I used it today. But this is the Morphe Highlight and Contour Beauty Sponge. Oh my goodness. I love this sponge. I thought I loved the Real Techniques sponge, which I do. But this one right now it's in the lead as my favorite. And what you can do is you can use it to put your foundation on, put your concealer, and then if you want to get that cut line for your contour and stuff, you could put powder on it, and then it fits right there, and you can just bring it down, and it's seriously the best. And even you still also have a point, so you can use it to get in your inner corners, It's universal. For bronzer, I use the Alexis Ren and ColourPop bronzer duo, I think it's called. And I use this bronzer. I never use this highlight shade because it's just too dark for me. So I just love it for the bronzer. For my contour, I used this Glam Bronze in the shade 03 Deep by L'Oreal, and I just took my NARS Ita brush and I just did it right up here. I didn't bring it down too far, I just went right there. And I think for my brows, I used the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. For blush, I used the Wet n Wild Color Icon in Pearlescent Pink blush. This is probably my favorite blush at the moment. I use it pretty much any time that I do my makeup. And look, I've already hit pan on it. It's really amazing. It's a really pink. I'm into a lot of the pink blushes, and it's like a pink blush. So really, really good and really affordable too. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter, and this it's out of stock right now. I don't know if it's coming back. I had to get mine on Poshmark, and I'm so glad I did. It is so stunning. Hello. Yeah, blind me. It is so beautiful. I can't even. And, when you put your brush in it, there's, no kick up whatsoever. It's so strange. No powder whatsoever. Stunning. I love this. For lashes, I use the Kiss Lash Contour Triple Push-Up Collection in the style Brazier. Really beautiful. They're really spiky, which I like, and they're so inexpensive. I use the MAC Strip Down Liner. 2 lipsticks. I use the ColourPop Luxe lipsticks. I put the shade Appy all over my lips, and then I took the shade Boy, and I just put that right in the center, and I just rubbed my lips together, and then I eventually ended up just putting it all over my lips. This is the shade Boy. Sorry, this is from this lipstick going over this one. So this is like a pretty pale shade. I think it is the palest shade. Don't quote me. I think this is the palest shade that they have. And then this is Appy. Beautiful combo together, I think. That concludes this review on the Pat McGrath palette. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will link my Instagram down below. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Since there are no, oh! Okay. Get it together, Rachel. I got this. I could take a nap. I have an edge. For highlighter, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Omrizi highlighter. Oh boy! Sorry, goodness. I hate when you put makeup on and then you get an itch, and it's just like you don't want to scratch it because you're gonna take off your, all your makeup, your foundation. So it's like you gotta like pat it around the area. So annoying. That concludes this one. I can't think, I'm so tired. Oh, good.